and today I'm here with my assistant,
Henry Wong.
and we're going to tell you about a wonderful activity kit we put together for pediatric practice of occupational therapy. This is for occupational therapy practitioners starting out in their practice. I'll go and get started and let you know what's included in this kit. First, I have a manual here that tells you everything that will be included in your kit. This will also tell you activities and give you suggestions on ages for the activities and the therapeutic tools that are included. So in the essential part of the kit that can be used across different activities and ages, we have cones, some rings, some tools that can be used for fine motor skills, these hand tools. We also have clothespins, sensory balls, and toys. We do have timers that are sand timers that are different increments of time, stacking cups, and the shape sorter with the bucket that you can do a variety of different activities with. I'll be talking about a few of the toys recommended for infants. This also can be used for older children as well, but these toys here are recommended for 6 months and older. First, we'll talk about the push and go car. This works on auditory processing and visual perception, cognitive thinking as cause and effect. As you push the car along, the little beads pop up, and I'll let Henry demonstrate this for you with a strong grasp for you. And one activity you can do with this car is lay out a piece of tape and have the child take the car along the piece of tape. And you can do it in an arc. If you do it in the arc, this will work on range of motion in the shoulder and flexion in the elbow. All right, let's wheel it over here, buddy. Thank you. All right, the next one is a shape sorter. This one works on all sorts of skills and is very versatile. You can use this tool as color and shape discrimination. With older children, you can also use it as a handwriting tool. You can have them trace out the shapes. You can work on stacking and matching for memory and attention. And I'm going to let Henry demonstrate some of this for you. He can tell you all about it. Go ahead.
So you could stack the blocks and then you could put the you could sort the blocks. And then you could throw them and try and
It's a fun cleanup time.
get them in the basket. Oops.
Here, I'll help you out. All right. Work them together. All right, get the lid. All right, next we have the rockin' shake toy. I like to call them little donuts. So here we can, again, it's color and size discrimination and stacking, and this works on grasp for the infants. This is a great tool for working on integrating reflexes for babies. You can have them try to reach and roll. You can have them creep and crawl for these. They will probably end up in the mouth, and so we'll work on oral motor skills as well. But this also can be graded up for children a little older, and I'll have Henry demonstrate exactly how that can be graded up for you as a ring toss game. You want to stand up if you want to, however you want to do it.
Yeah.
Yay! Good job. Alrighty. Alright. Now this works on gross motor skills and an accomplishment. Sense of accomplishment right there. That's a good one. Now we're going to be talking about some of the tools that can be used for early childhood, middle childhood, and adolescence, or any of the children that are working on fine motor skills, pre-handwriting, or handwriting skills, and color recognition, memory, and attention. Here we are with bladeless scissors. It has a spring action in there, and this is really working on the muscles in the hands, getting them ready for scissor activities and pre-handwriting. And there's several activity sheets included in this kit. And then we can do some color matching with the clothespins, and you have to drop it on the cones. And now I'm going to have our one and only Henry show us his game Tumble Bear that he made up. It's a great game with sorting and using number and color recognition. And he's going to be using the scissor scoopers to scoop up the bears and sort them. Alright, you want to tell them about it, Henry?
Sure. So you roll a dice like this with colors. I land on yellow. I got 5. I put 5 yellow inside the cup.
He has to remember how many he's counting along the way. How many did you get? You got one more to go. So we're going to move it back. He's got to reach really far to get this last one in there. Go far. All right, great job, Henry. And this also can be done with a timer. You can time the activities for those with focus that you're trying to work on focus and attention with. This is a 2-minute timer. We also have a 30-second timer, a 1-minute timer, the 2-minute, 3-minute, 5-minute, and a 10-minute timer included. And these do not tick, and they do not make loud noises when they are done. They are non-anxiety timers. Okay, thank you. Many of the tools and activities included in this kit can work with a variety of conditions and ages with those conditions, including CP, RA, and traumatic brain injury, the TBIs. I've been working with a young man who's acquired a traumatic brain injury during a football game. He wanted to be here today, but was unable to make it. This is Connor here. He is 15 years old. He was injured. He has a temporal lobe injury above the right ear. And he has been having problems with his hearing, his memory, some visual perception, and categorizing of objects. So we've been working on different activities. He's also working probably on the cognition level of a 7 to 8-year-old. But this is one of the activities we've been working with the bears, the sorting bears. These are patterned cards, so he has to find the pattern, and there's a variety of different cards, and they're double-sided. Also for frustration management, there's digit tools, and you saw Henry working with this earlier in the video. This can just, while we are working, he likes to hold on to these and just play with them. For global expression, well, we're working with a language right now, but he can recognize symbols. This is a great game called Spot It. This is the Disney version. We have a lot of fun with this. Each card, every card in the game will have a match. So he likes to find which one. And it also works on a little bit of language, word recognition, and size discrimination amongst shapes. Since we are having some language problems speaking with the spoken word, I've included a boogie board in this box, so in this kit. When he is having difficulty speaking, he can write his name out, or he can tell me what he wants. And sometimes this is how we communicate. We also work with object organization and figure ground and building with this one. And I've also included connect the dots here. And this is a great game for sequencing and patterns. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation on our activity kit for pediatric occupational therapy. This whole kit can be yours for $69.99. It includes everything here. It all fits in this wonderful tote bag. But if you act now, I will also include shape and color flashcards, a mathematic stick and stick set, as well as infant beads for problem solving and grasp and motor skills. All for $69.99. Can be yours. Thank you.